What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Good morning. We're going to have a little bit of a chat. Market looks like it is another prime DCA opportunity this morning. However, something really strange is happening now. Altcoins are down, but they're not really taking the hit that they normally take when Bitcoin has a bigger correction. Is that a sign that we are starting to hit the transition phase into altcoin season from Bitcoin season? We're going to talk about it, guys, but first, on your way in, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, and it's absolutely free, so go ahead and do that for me, guys. All right, let's get into it. Let's look across the altcoin space first. Jasmy down 7% on the day, 3.5% on the week, up 21.5% on the month, but down 39.3% on the year. Down 2 spots in rank to 96, $795 million market cap at 62 million in volume. Swift coin up 0.5% on the day, down 11 on the week, 2.5 on the month, but up 179% on the year. Up 15 spots in rank to 333, $114 million market cap and 2.86 million in volume. Volume maintains its strength on Swiftcoin, so that's good. That's good to see. Where is our XCN? Little Onyx coin down 7% on the day, 17.7 on the week, 7 on the month, but up 877% on the year. Down 4 spots in rank to 126, $519 million market cap, 39.39 million in volume. And Zebec down 7 on the day, up 17.5 on the week, down 0.5% on the month, but up 225% on the year. We're down 5 spots in rank to 171, $333 million market cap, and 33.67 million in volume. I will be doing some DCAing again today, guys. Look out for my buy alerts over on the 10% club over on the Patreon. That's where my buy alerts will be shortly. So it's a good time, guys. It's a good time, whether you want to continue to fill bags you already have, or if you want to add a new project. If you've been sitting there thinking, man, I wish I had one more project to add to my portfolio, it would not be the worst time in the world to do so, to find an entry point. And listen, guys, I got some good news for you. Just last night, we did an exclusive 10% Club Patreon live stream with Max and Rule Black. And we dropped 4 small cap gems over there, guys, during the live stream. 4. That is insane. You're going to want to get over there and check it out if you're looking for new projects that should do extremely well in this cycle. You're going to want to check that out. Let's get over to the Bitcoin chart, see what's going on. Boom. All right, so what did we have? What do you say? What do you know? Did we come down far enough to fill the CME gap? Well, I mean, right down here at 114,300 area range, right, is where really the gap is. But so has coming down to 114,700 been enough? It is a topic of contention, to be honest with you. Some people would say, yeah, close enough. Some people would say, no, technically no, right? So all we can really do is wait and see. I think what's realistic, honestly, I think what we'll probably do is we'll probably wick all the way down and test the 30-day SMA down here. It's currently sitting at 113,424. I could see us touching that on a wick, or coming close to touching it on a wick sometime today, and then coming right back up again. Testing it as support, that would not surprise me in the least bit. But I mean, this could possibly be enough, right? Could we start climbing back up? I don't think so, though. Again, I think we're going to come down. We're going to test the 30-day as support, probably bounce back up from there. We're going to have a bit of a sideways or red weekend before we start to see the next leg up. What I would want to see at this point in time, though, guys, let's get down here today, sometime today, Friday, test the 30-day as support, and just kind of ping pong here until Monday, and then start to work our way back up, because we don't want to, we don't want to come here, drop down here, and then shoot right back up on Saturday or Sunday, because if we shoot right back up, well, we're just creating yet another CME gap, and that's nobody wins then, right? So let's come down here, let's test the 30-day, let's go sideways for the weekend, and then next week maybe we start to shoot back towards the upside. Let's finish this month with a bang, my friends. Let's finish with a bang, okay? All right, let's go have a quick look over at the Ethereum chart, because Ethereum is not really going down like Bitcoin is, right? Is this a sign that we are seeing the beginning of altcoin season, the transition phase at least? If you look at Ethereum, it's still inside of a bull pennant here, just ping-ponging sideways. It's not dumping like Bitcoin is. What is the cost for that? $3,630 right now. We've wicked to the downside a couple of times. Sorry, guys, I'm fighting off yawns here for some reason. We've wicked to the downside 3 times, but we've wicked right back up inside the bull pennant before every single daily candle close. Is this a sign, once this pressure is alleviated from Bitcoin, as early as Monday, are we going to see Ethereum take off next week, and the altcoins along with it, as Bitcoin kind of mumbles and fumbles sideways before it makes another leg up? That's entirely how things could play out, my friends. So while the altcoin market is down right now, it's not down that much. As you can see, Ethereum not really down that much. It's still inside of its bull pennant after a big. So there's a lot to be bullish about when it comes to the altcoins. Remember that, guys. Remember that. All right, guys, we got some Zebec stuff to get into. But first, quick shout out to the channel sponsor with a phenomenal offer for you guys. Yes, that's right, a phenomenal offer. $20 off your Decent wallet plus a free Zebec airdrop. You heard me right, a free Zebec airdrop to your Decent wallet, my friends. Simply use my link down in the description. Get yourself, you got to use the coupon code FUTURE20 off. It's down there. All the links are down in the description. Check it out, guys. Again, you're going to need your Decent wallets. You can swap on there, take profits on there. You can stake on your Decent wallet, my friends. And this is a limited time offer only until August 5th. You must provide them with your Zebec address before August 17th. Again, it is all the details are down in the description. Check it out. Again, use my code FUTURE20 off. Get $20 off your Decent wallet and a free Zebec airdrop. You cannot go wrong with that. Myself and Decent wallet coming together to drop you guys off a phenomenal deal. Check it out today, guys. All right. What else do we have here for Zebec? Well, actually, first let's go check out the M2 money supply. See how things are going. Okay, what do you say? What do you know? So M2 money supply made another leg up yesterday. It's actually has been having a tiny little bit of a correction today, not much. But is it going to set another new all-time high, or is it just going to come up here and double top around 126,108? I think we're probably going to set another new high and then come down. Cycle's still on track, guys. Here's the thing that you have to remember through all of this is that your timeline hasn't changed. The end of November is still our target for the end of this bull run. Your target hasn't changed. Whether you have a week a correction over the course of a week, or you pump for a week, right? Your timeline has not changed. So it makes absolutely no sense whatsoever to be emotional on days like today. It makes no sense at all, right? Your end target's still the same. So remember that, okay? M2's looking good, looking healthy. All right, what do we have here for Zebec? Well, first off, boom, what do we got? CoinMarketCap weekly top gainers. What's number 2? Boom, Zebec Network, baby. 37.49%. You love to see that. In second place for top gainers, guys. Doesn't get more bullish than that. All right, and we've got a new partnership for Zebec. Check it out, my friends. Zebec Network adds Octa to debit card ecosystem. So they took care of this back in July 24th. That was yesterday. So Zebec, a leading Web3 payments and payroll platform, has officially added OctaSpace token to its credit debit card ecosystem. This integration allows users to spend their Octa through MasterCard, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, enabling real world utility for previously DePIN native asset. My friends, these people who bash Zebec, they're like, oh, it's a scam, it's just then why are they working with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and MasterCard? I mean, think before you talk sometimes, right? Key takeaways: Zebec Network integrates OctaSpace and its native chain into its debit card system. Octa can now be used globally via the Zebec Silver and Carbon cards powered by MasterCard. A new custom Zebec Black X Octa cards card is in development, so you can get a new limited edition card. Zebec cards offer zero fees, instant activation, and support for Apple and Google Pay. So zero fees, guys. Why do you think banks don't like projects like Zebec? Why do you think banks don't like crypto in general? You literally have a MasterCard here, right? A crypto project that specializes in decentralized finance, who's partnered with MasterCard, who has their own MasterCard that you can spend crypto anywhere. Debit, MasterCard, and Visa are accepted in the world with zero fees. No bank gets to put their hands in there and take fees out. No bank gets to tell you what to do with your money. No bank gets to lend your money to other people and make money off your money while you get nothing in return. And they don't like it. They don't like that they can't do that, guys, right? They don't like that you can be sovereign with your money. That is a frustrating concept to the banks, right? So think about it that way, guys. With this move, OctaSpace joins a list of tokens supported by Zebec Black Card, expanding access to decentralized computing users and Web3 contributors who want seamless off-ramping. Zebec also announced that a co-branded Zebec Black and Octa card is in the works, aimed at deepening the partnership between the two ecosystems. Zebec and multi-chain momentum includes OctaSpace. Zebec has been rapidly expanding its card ecosystem. The platform now supports 15 blockchains, including Solana, Ethereum, Base, and now OctaSpace. With its own token, ZBCN, Zebec operates across chains and provides instant payroll, token streaming, and now real-world payment rails. OctaSpace, known for its offering of decentralized GPUs, computing, and bandwidth services, sounds a lot like Junction, brings a new dimension to Zebec's use cases as a DePIN-focused asset. Its integration is not just about liquidity, it's about enabling digital workers and compute contributors to actually spend what they earn. What are the market impacts? The announcement saw strong reaction from the community. Zebec hinted at more chain integration and co-branded partnerships in Q3, which could push Zebec into a breakout above key resistance at 2024. Let's get it. For OctaSpace, this marks a major step forward in real-world adoption. Octa token now carries utility beyond staking and computing, making it more attractive for holders looking to spend without off-ramps. Zebec adding utility to other ecosystems on top of everything else, guys. You cannot ask for more than that. My friends, listen, there is a message that I've been trying to get out there because it's important for you to know, especially if you're new to crypto at this point in time. Your favorite YouTuber's probably not telling you this, but only 10% of people who invest in crypto actually make true life-changing wealth for themselves, okay? We're talking millions of dollars, never have to go back to work kind of money. All right. I know that's your dream. That's everyone's dream in crypto. Now, the truth of the matter is only 10% of people achieve that. Now, why is that? Because 90% of people in crypto actually lose money so that 10% can make the life-changing wealth. Where do you think the life-changing wealth comes from? It's for every buyer, there has to be a seller. So for the 10% to make life-changing wealth, millions and millions and millions of dollars, 90% of people have to lose and siphon that money off to the 10%. And they lose for a variety of reasons. They buy the tops, they sell too soon, they hold on because some other influencer told them there was some sort of super cycle coming, or that, that the 4-year cycle was broken or something, and they end up losing in the long run, right? Now, you got two choices. You can invest in your education and join the 10% club, or you can think you're smarter than the other 90% of people in crypto and try to navigate it on your own, which most of them try to do, and most of them end up losing money. You do not want to be stuck holding your bags for 4 more years, guys. Join the 10% club today. The link is down in the description. We teach you everything you need to know. Our primary goal is to teach you how to front run the market, how to make sure you're taking your profits and exiting this market before the market tops and before everybody else does. If you want to be first in line to get your profits and get out of this space, get over to the 10% club today, guys. We're live every day, exclusive Patreon only content. You can book your coaching calls over there absolutely free as a member of the 10% club, and so much more, guys. So check it out today. Once again, the link is down in the description. Swing trades, microcap gems. We dropped 4 microcap gems last night in the 10% club live stream. You do not want to miss this opportunity, guys. Don't be part of the 90%. Join the 10% club today. The link is in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.